To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. There are 3 metal clips securing the passenger cowling. Use a screwdriver to pop the 3 metal clips off of the filter housing. This is just the absolute best way to drop a clip into the engine bay. Just try to pry one side off and pull the rest of the clip off. Lift the cowling and remove the old filter from the housing. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1100 filter into the housing. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the cowling panel by locking the teeth with their catch up top. Reinstall the clips. Close the hood.